All that, let's just sit back and listen in to the last few minutes of the countdown.
Please go for launch.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Don't buzz your head.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff.
Falcon 9 switching down range. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Telemetry nominal.
As you can see, Falcon 9 has had a successful liftoff from pad 39A. Moments ago, we throttled the engines down and we'll throttle back up just in a second for preparation for Max Q. Max Q stands for maximum aerodynamic pressure, which are the highest stresses that the vehicle will see during ascent.
Maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Now coming up in about a minute, we will have 3 events happening back to back. First is main engine cutoff, or MECO. This is where all 9 M1D engines will shut off to slow the vehicle down in preparation for the second event, which is stage separation. This is where the second stage will separate from the first stage, with stage 1 making its way back down to Earth for landing, and stage 2 kicking off that third event that I mentioned, which is SES1, or second engine starting 1. The This is where the MVAC engine will light up and propel the second stage along with the Starlink satellites to orbit. Expected to occur in about 30 seconds.
Miko. Stage separation confirmed.
Successful MECO. Successful stage sep. And it appears we have reignited or ignited that second stage engine for SES-1. And we're just a few seconds from fairing deployed. Again, this fairing has flown before on a previous mission. Grid fins are opening up.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And we have fairing separation. We have successfully reused this fairing. Now those halves are making their way back down to the sea where hopefully we can scoop them up. So on the left side of your screen you have stage 1, which is making its way down to the drone ship. And on the right you have stage 2, that MVAC engine burning with 250,000 pounds of thrust. The grid fins appear to be fully deployed at this point. Now while stage 2 continues on with the primary mission, stage 1's got its own plans. It's going to execute 2 burns prior to landing. The first is the entry burn. That's where we will reignite 3 of the M1D engines, which will help slow the stage down. This is a single engine burn that brings the vehicle's velocity down rapidly in order to land safely on the drone ship. At the same time, during that burn, you'll see the landing legs that are currently folded up along the side of the rocket are going to deploy. MVAC is looking good right now. Looks a little overexposed on that image there, but we can still see the plume coming out, and we're still hearing good data. So while we're 2 minutes away from entry burn, just a note on these Starlink satellites, these 60 will be joining a constellation that's already on orbit. As we mentioned, we've launched more than 360 satellites. And again, these will provide high-speed, low-latency internet to people down on that globe that you see on the right side of your screen. The MVAC engine on stage 2 is at full power and on a nominal trajectory. Now as stage 1 is making its way down, again, there are no engines burning while it's doing this. It's basically coasting using the grid fins to steer, and you can see those white puffs occasionally. That's cold nitrogen gas that is being used for attitude control, part of our ACS system, or attitude control system. Should be coming up here in about 15 seconds. While stage 2 continues on in its plan.
Stage 1 entry burn startup. Stage 1 FTS is safe.
This burn goes for about 20 seconds. Four engines burning at once right now.
Just to follow down the trajectory. Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
Alright, successful shutdown of that entry burn. Meanwhile, stage 2 is looking great. Alright, full screen shine here. There we go. Now this burn on stage 2 is going to continue up until you hear the call out of SECO 1, or second engine cutoff 1. You're going to hear that pretty quickly after landing.
Stage 1 entry transonic.
FID is beginning to throttle down, getting ready for that second engine cutoff.
Stage 1 landing burn startup. Entering terminal guidance.
Alright, that landing burn has started. Let's see if we can see the plume in the view from the drone ship.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 2 FTS is safe.
There it is. Let's see. We have cheers. We have a rocket. Awesome. This is the 4th landing for this booster. And as you can hear, everybody here is super stoked to see it there. It's great. Gorgeous day. Gorgeous rocket. Alright. And we have second engine cutoff on stage 2. And we are in a good orbit as well. Alright, so now stage 2 is going to coast in this orbit for a few minutes, and during this time, the stage will actually start to spin around its central axis, which gives the Starlink satellites the momentum that they need in order to space themselves out over time after they deploy. We're going to take a quick break and come back here at plus 14 minutes.